and then goes and looks under the rug to see if there's a spare key. Yeah, you better stop hiding those spare keys under the rug.
This ain't no fucking
Everybody knows
cartoons,
that's where
bitch.
everyone keeps their spare key.
You
You
walking.
better find a better spot for that spare key, cause this woman's on the prowl. Fresno, California. A helicopter is seen spiraling out of control.
Oh, someone's drilling the keyhole.
Oh.
Never mind.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, you never know what you're gonna catch on your Ring doorbell.
Oh,
It's
fuck.
aerial footage from the aftermath of the incident. Luckily, the 2 passengers
Aerial
survived
footage
this incident with minor injuries.
Damn, they survived. That's good,
Queens,
bro.
New York.
Oh,
Looks
shit.
like NYPD is conducting a raid on someone's apartment.
Just tell,
I'll be
like...
scared seeing that shit outside my door.
Fuck.
Yeah, hella people just.
God damn, bro. Everybody's dressed